The NERO unit is shipped with the following: the NERO device itself, 2 cable ties, 2 sensor cables, and 4 pipe clip sensors for ease of installation. The NERO device is supplied with a battery. To access the battery compartment, simply unscrew these 2 screws and lift the lid up. And there you have it, the battery in the NERO. The NERO device has 2 sensor inputs, sensor input 1 and sensor input 2. Connect your sensor cable with its pin directly inserted into the sensor input of the NERO. Once inserted, ensure it's inserted correctly. Screw the sensor cable into the sensor unit. Once your sensor cable is connected to the NERO device, attach your temperature sensor clip. Like so. Attach the sensor clip to the pipe that is to be monitored. Once you have attached your temperature sensor clip to a pipe, you will notice a change in the LED status of the NERO device. The red flashing light indicates that there is a sensor detected, but a network has not been joined.